Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for being here. So today, as the title shows, I'm here to show how I'm going to transform a little tweed jacket. This is an Urban Revivo dupe. As far as I'm concerned, it is going to be a dupe because I have this jacket. This is a tweed jacket. All around the border of this jacket is this gold chain with like velvet or suede. It's kind of like velvet, kind of little fabric going through, and this gold chain is going around the entire jacket. It's on the pockets. It's up around the neck all the way down. So this is all coming off. This thing is beautiful. I love this jacket, but I have not been able to wear this since I got it, and it's been several months now. And I just happened to be watching Brown Girl Chi. I will give her credit for even providing me this inspiration, because I wouldn't have known about this jacket otherwise. Urban Revivo sells a tweed jacket that looks just like this, but it has denim going around the edge. And Brown Girl Chi was wearing this jacket in one of her videos, and I'm gonna link to her down below in case you don't know who she is and you're interested. And I'm also gonna show you what the Urban Revivo jacket looks like, because this is the inspiration I think I needed to wear this. I have not been able to find anything. I try it on, it doesn't look right. So I'm gonna alter this to look like the Urban Revivo jacket. I'm gonna try it on how it is now, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna take these jeans that I just got from the Goodwill for like $3. I went there to look for this dark brown. I went there to look for this dark blue denim. It looks like it's gonna work out. So I'm gonna put this all around the jacket where Urban Revivo's jacket has the denim, and I'm gonna try to make it match. And then I'm even gonna add some buttons. This one right now just has these little hooks that hook in like this, like a little hook and eye thing. And it has that going all the way down. I'm gonna take those off, maybe. I think I probably won't need them, because I'm probably not gonna wear this jacket closed, but the Urban Revivo jacket has 3 gold buttons on top of the denim down the front panel. So I'm gonna add those on mine and see how it's gonna look. I'm not looking for it to be like identical, but I'm gonna use what I have. I'm trying to get this done in one day. And I don't even have a full day. I want it done before like 7 o'clock tonight. And I also have other things going on today, so it's not like I can work on this completely. But throughout my day, I'm gonna be working on this, and I hope I can get it done. It seems pretty simple, but I always think that, and then it turns into something more. So if you are interested in how this jacket is gonna turn out, then I hope you keep watching. I cut all the parts off. It's the next day, by the way. I had to wait till today because I forgot. I didn't order the fringe that I needed, and I had to get it from Amazon. Hopefully it's coming today, and then I'll be able to finish this. I started to cut the chain off the bottom, but I didn't need to because I'm just going to cut this all off anyway. So let's do that now. My fabric scissors are also messed up, so I need to get new fabric scissors later on. I don't know what I'm doing though. I'm making this up as I go along. And just hope for the best. That's all I do anytime I make anything. And then I'm just gonna go across the bottom and cut this whole bottom part off. It's not all the way up to the pocket, but just under the pocket. Let me get my other scissors, my green one. Okay, these might actually work a little bit better. I feel like I should actually wait. Technically, I should wait until I get the fabric scissors to even cut this bottom part off. But I don't want to wait. And now I'm just left with this. Okay, I got my scissors. I'm expecting these to glide right through with no problems. I also, I went to Joann's and got the scissors. And I also got these buttons because I needed buttons for the new jacket. These are so cute. I didn't even check the price when I got up to the register. These were like $9 for one. But I did have some coupons. You know what I do sometimes? A trick that I do is I go to the Goodwill and I'll find something there. It'll be like $3 and I'll buy something with fancy buttons just to use the buttons, and then that saves you from having to purchase buttons, especially if you find something vintage looking at the thrift store. Come on, you cannot beat that. So I didn't do that this time. I just saw those and I'm gonna use them. So I'm just cutting this to make it even, and then what I'm gonna do is sew a zigzag stitch all the way around to stop it from fraying and just to seal it off, and that's gonna be the bottom. Now I'm going to be using the jeans to get the material that I need. And now I'm gonna just assemble everything, make it the exact size. Here it is. It was sitting on my doorstep just like this. Well, I peeled the sticker off, but this is what it looks like. It matches! Yay! And it's a lot too. Okay, there's the fringe. Okay, so I see how they did it. It has a seam here. Trying to get a good look at it. Okay, so it's sealed off at the bottom. This is the top part where it would be sewed from. So I'm going to sew this underneath the denim material, and then once it's on, you just cut this part off. So this part here would be cut however it's needed to make the fringe, and this is like the perfect one. I'm going to link this below. I don't know if anybody's doing anything similar or wants to buy any of this fringe, but there's plenty of it. And then they added this, they put this little sewing kit in the package too. I have one of the denim pieces already finished, and this is what it looks like on the back, and it's sealed like this, so it's going to go on the pocket take this and fold it right sides together and make a straight stitch going all the way down. So I have the two collar pieces on, well, they're pinned on, and then I just wrapped them around as far as I could go with each side, and then here's the back. So I did one more piece with this. I used the same stencil that I used for the front piece. I just folded it to make it a little bit shorter, and then I'm just gonna connect these two over here and then these two over here to make one solid piece, and then everything will be made, and I'll be able to attach the fringe and then attach them to this.